Government job fairs should be, and the next in this budget or till the 31st of March 2025 government job fairs. आम जॉब फेअर्स कोताय ते प्रायव्हेटा आटाय आणि जॉब फेअर करू सोताय. गव्हर्मेंटा गेले जॉब फेअर, PWD गे थिंग आसपा जाय वेकन्सी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट सगळे एकठांय जाय आणि तुमगे जॉब फेअर थिंग ते भाशेन कोराय सो दॅट इट इज इन अ व्हेरी ट्रान्सपरंट मॅनर्स. बिकॉज
आतां भुरग्यांनी करपाचें तरी कितें, जेन्ना इंडस्ट्रीन जेन्ना एप्लिकेशन घालता मिनिस्टरान आयकोन घेवपाचें. एक कोणान CV घातली, CV एप्लिकेशन घातलें, थंय काम दिना, भायल्यांक जाय तशें वेकन्सी करता. कोण इंडस्ट्री आसा, खंयची एक इंडस्ट्री आसा ती कंपनी भायर हें करता, इंटरव्यूज कंडक्ट करता, गोंयान करना.
At instances, I believe, jenna te pharmache jenna 3 companies advertised the post outside Goa, Chief Minister had to intervene. Then they released a statement after Chief Minister intervening. Why they are not informing you in the first place about this position? Why is the employment exchange not aware?
It is only four companies. Government is doing all efforts basically as far as to so that Goan youth basically gets benefit and gets employment.
Why they are advertising their post out?
No, as far as advertisement, there was 2 companies which had advertised their post outside. We have come up with this thing. First, there was this thing that if anyone defaults as far as this act is concerned, where advertise that this thing outside is concerned, the fine was 500 rupees. So it was becoming very convenient actually for them. Even if they advertise and they paying a fine of 500 had no meaning whatsoever. So we have amended basically that this thing, that we have increased the fine to 10,000 rupees, 1 lakh, and plus a fine plus an imprisonment also we have done that.
No.
See.